We have every right to dream heroic dreams. Those who say that we're in a time when there are no heroes, they just don't know where to look.
My father left before I was born. I was basically brought up by my grandparents.
馬克嘅屋企人多數都有過重嘅問題，尤其係馬克嘅母親。好不幸，佢嘅母親喺控制體重嘅時候，服用醫生處方嘅減重藥物上咗癮。
I can remember seeing her in the hospital and having a lot of things happen to her from drugs and what drugs can do to you. When I was 18 years old, she finally died from a drug overdose.
為咗避免悲劇重演，馬克遠渡重洋，到中國參加當地舉辦嘅草本植物研討會。馬克從中得到啟發，深信草本植物營養學可以令到人安全有效咁減重。然後馬克馬上着手尋找最優秀嘅生產商，製造自己信念中嘅產品。馬克喺比華利山開設咗一間小小嘅辦公室，同時係貨倉，亦係傳銷中心。然而馬克喺創業嘅首個月就賺到超過23,000美元。康寶萊透過廣告、宣傳單張及逢星期2、4、6嘅傳銷機會會議，漸漸為人所知。Jerry Satonovich 係早期其中一個對康寶萊獨具慧眼嘅人。
This ad just popped out at me. It said, "Prisoner, are you tied to a desk? Do you hate punching a clock?" And I looked at that ad. It was I tore it out. It was the only ad I tore out. It was the only ad I responded to, and that ad Mark Hughes answered.
馬克時刻都喺度尋找增加銷售量嘅方法。馬克送出嘅首次獎勵係喺 Palm Spring 嘅週末假期，嗰次有9個人合資格參加。馬克送出咗超過2,000美元嘅代銷佣金支票。首年年底，康寶萊嘅營業額已高達200萬美元。為咗擴充業務，馬克將辦公室同埋貨倉搬到去 Culver 市。不久之後，位於 Culver 市嘅設備已經跟唔上康寶萊一日千里嘅發展，因此馬克特地增加咗個貨倉，以容納驚人嘅訂貨數量。馬克喺同年嘅9月12號頒發首個生產獎金，為數21,000美元。同年年中，康寶萊嘅營業額已增加至1000萬美元。康寶萊開始踏上國際舞台，將業務擴展至加拿大。Leslie Stanford 係其中一份子。
I remember one day we were just flying. We couldn't believe it. Our royalty checks, my check had gone from $2,000 to $8,400 to $19,500 in 3 consecutive months.
馬克勇於嘗試，佢去每家每戶探訪，將使用產品、佩戴襟章同埋與人分享嘅概念介紹俾每一個人。為咗宣揚康寶萊嘅好處，馬克永不言倦。喺4個星期之內，曾於6個喺美國及加拿大舉行嘅商務聚會中，向超過4,500人推介康寶萊。而家係時候將康寶萊介紹到世界各地。1983年4月，康寶萊昂然進軍澳洲。喺美國，康寶萊嘅生意繼續蒸蒸日上。
It's almost 3 years to get ourselves into this kind of position, but now hundreds of thousands of people know about our products, know about our company, and know what's going on.
Well, Lori was the one that got me involved. You can tell she's pretty strong about this thing. I used to be a rock and roll star, so I let him say
I've got a tremendous, advantage on you. I have extensive marketing and business background. I've got a degree in ceramics.
第一次嘅大型康寶萊派對就喺馬克嘅屋企舉行，令到生意變得充滿樂趣同埋家庭化。然後再進駐佢哋嘅公司辦公室，嗰時營業額已經超過150萬美元。業務進展之快，連馬克亦都始料不及。
I've been waiting for this night here for since before the company even started. Tonight, when I walked into the auditorium, I just couldn't even believe what was going to take place tonight. And sitting behind stage and watching it, all I can say is I can't believe what's happened with all of us in the last 4 years. I can't believe it.
當晚所頒發嘅最高獎金支票係125000美元。
When you got money, you can do a lot for your family, for your kids. But in the first year with the company, we made $400,000, and now this, and I still don't have a credit card.
同年後期，康寶萊資訊網絡藉住大氣電波，將健康嘅信息同埋營商機會引入每一個家庭，係電視廣播史上嘅一大突破。而家康寶萊嘅信息已經喺全國數以百萬計嘅市民中廣為傳播。康寶萊喺美洲已經成為家傳戶曉嘅名字。1984年5月，隨住康寶萊喺英國設立分公司，康寶萊正式進軍歐洲市場。
Alan and Carol Lorenz, this is Carol.
馬克時刻尋找方法，令到經營康寶萊生意充滿樂趣、簡單而又不可思議。例如，佢曾經帶領傳銷商去到歐洲雪梨參加康寶萊史上最盛大嘅一次會議。雪梨歌劇院見證咗呢一次盛會。
I've lost 20 pounds all up now.
Man, this is the best.
We haven't been in the business a year yet. Our 9th royalty check was $40,883, and we're excited.
I used to drive a truck, and I made $80,000 last month. You want to join this sucker or not? Come on, live! Arnold! Live! Arnold! Live! Arnold! Live!
Look at us, huh? Now tell the truth. Who's better looking and why am I?
1985年，美國食物及藥物管理局喺藥品公司嘅壓力之下，展開對美國本土健康食品工業嘅調查行動。今次嘅行動對於啱啱闖出名堂嘅康寶萊而言係莫大嘅打擊。
There's going to be a whole lot more articles that are going to come out about this company, and they're not all going to be positive. Some are going to be very, very negative. Okay, they're going to take some bad shots at us. They're going to say some things are wrong with our products. They're going to say some things are wrong with some of the ingredients.
You do put, there's protein powder and things in there that do make you feel alive, and yet they're criticizing you for that.
But I think that the criticism comes when you have so many people doing well, it's subject to question.
Right.
You know, how can everybody be doing this well? And I think the same thing's true with the money.
That company, as I announced on the show, is grossing $500 million. But you've got a lot of partners out there, don't you, that you share that $500 million with?
There's about 1 million distributors out there.
How much of that will go to them for selling the product?
66%.
66% of it goes back to the
distributors, yeah.
喺華盛頓數以千計嘅傳銷商嘅支持之下，馬克喺美國國會中為自己嘅理想爭戰。喺長達6日嘅聆訊裏邊，雖然康寶萊成為眾矢之的，但係電視轉播中，我哋可以睇到馬克對佢嘅產品同埋夢想嘅信心一啲都冇動搖。
And they should have been brought to this hearing instead of the so-called expert weight loss people that were here yesterday. I think if they're so expert in weight loss, why were they so fat yesterday? It seems to me, and I'm not trying to make any jokes, but I do think that they ought to use our product.
Well, I'd like to make a couple of statements first. I think the $64 question in the room over the last couple of days was Herbalife products safe? And it was clear in these meetings over the last 2 days that indeed it is.
I'm pleased to announce that after a year and a half, with many, many discussions with the Food and Drug Administration, the California Attorney General, and the State Department of Health, that all 3 of these agencies have independently determined that the Herbalife products have been and still are safe for the American public, and furthermore that all of our products, claims, labeling, and marketing materials are now in complete compliance with the spirit and the letter of state and federal law.
In the last 3 weeks, I've lost 32 pounds. I can't believe I'm losing weight.